YouTube. Let's learn Band of Horses in Need of Repair. That's the name of the song. Starts out, the verse is F, and I'm playing an F major 7. It's also an easy shape. You could play a bar chord or any F you know. Doesn't have to be a major 7, I guess. That's what I'm saying. And then it goes to D minor. It's the verse. Hey you, what's the matter you? I know it sucks. D minor. And then the pre-chorus is F, G minor, A minor, B flat. And then that repeats. The song is in the key of F. And then it goes to the chorus. B flat, F, C. Kind of lays down the C at the end. All right, let's see. A couple tips for people who maybe are like advanced beginners. You could play the G minor just across the top 4 strings on the 3rd fret. And make sure you accentuate the high E. And then to play the B flat, you can just play strings D, G, B. Don't play the high E. So that would sound like got a crush on. No, in need of repair. It would be like this. A minor. So you could basically play it all like almost in this first at the 1st fret. F, G minor, A minor, B flat. Okay, that's all I got to say about that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.